G'day everyone. It's Dean C, aka Mr. Make My Stay, and I am at the Novotel in Hong Kong Citygate, which is near the airport. Yeah, it's been a long day, but let's have a quick look through the room. I can imagine in its heyday though, this would have been an incredible hotel. It's quite a stunning view though. And I've never stayed in Hong Kong, so I've got no idea what I'm looking at. I'm sure some of you guys will. I take it that's the pool down there. I mean, I can just imagine when this place was built, this would have been absolutely stunning. And of course, nothing stays new forever. I have to say the welcome amenity is... And look, I'm pretty easygoing, but I'd have to say that's token at best. I mean, you guys haven't heard me say that before because I'm, generally speaking, pretty easygoing. And it's got an interesting design with the bathroom behind the bedhead. I mean, yeah, when this place was built, this would have been absolutely stunning. The hotel's nice, but this room is showing its age. But we have been upgraded to a pretty high floor, and we have got a bigger room as well, I think. So that's very much appreciated. But it's functional, and as I said, we appreciate. That's the shower. We appreciate the recognition and the upgrade. Anyway, I've just arrived in, so we'll check the rest of the hotel out. Morning. me, this one? Thank you, thank you, thank you, Chef. Thank you. So there you go, guys. That's the quick hotel tour of the Novotel Citygate, not Cityscape, as first mentioned. Had a great stay. It was really good. Couple of days here. Fantastic transfer over from the airport, and the gentlemen with the bus were fantastic. It was easy to find the hotel transfers. And the big question is, did I overreact with the welcome amenity? And yes, I pretty much did. I don't know, I'm not going to say I was cranky. It's been, you know, a long 4 weeks on the road, but yeah, a little unfair, to be honest. Is it the best welcome amenity I've ever had? No, not by a long shot. Have I had worse? Absolutely. I mean, I've had nothing at all. So you have to put everything into perspective. Any shortcomings in the welcome amenity far outweighed by a couple of things. First, obviously, is the incredible room upgrade in recognition of my status and as an Accor loyalty member. And secondly, is the incredible staff. For the most part, across the board, the ladies in the lounge were amazing, front office, and then, of course, the amazing chef that I got to meet over a couple of mornings, Miss Jerry, in breakfast, and she was awesome. Had a quick chat to her; she was great. So, would I recommend a stay? Does Mr. Make My Stay recommend a stay? And has the hotel made my stay? Yes, certainly. There's a lot to love about this place. The transfer over from the airport, the location from the airport. So with some room upgrades and slight improvement to the welcome amenity for loyalty members, it's a very good option for a hotel stay. So check it out, guys, if you're in Hong Kong and you need an airport hotel. And please check out my description. And this is the point where I say, if you've enjoyed the video, we've got more coming. Like, subscribe, and share. Catch you on the next one.